Hi, I'm Emma from Honeybuns Dorset Bakery. Welcome to one of our very easy, well, it's not a cook-along exactly, but it's a deconstruction of one of our gorgeous Christmas gifts. And today we're going through our hot chocolates, vegan, gluten-free hot chocolate kit in a tin. It's available in our Christmas shop online. We think it's gorgeous, and I just want to very quickly show you what it's made of and what makes it special. First of all, you've got a reusable bag. This is upcycled fabric for us by our lovely friend Laurie, who lives in the next door village, and she's handmade them all for us. So that's a reusable eco gift bag, no gift wrap required. Then you've got your reusable tin. Now this is a sticker on a tin. I just want to make sure you know what you're getting there. The tin is reusable, and you can always, when the label gets faded or old, you can always rinse that off, and then you've got a little keepsake tin for bits and bobs. Inside, your instructions on how to make your hot chocolate drink, and then another masterpiece from Laurie, which is I just think they're adorable, a gorgeous Christmas stocking made with upcycled fabrics again, and a vintage button. Each one is different, so you can't nominate what you'd like, but they're even lined as well, just so sweet. So that's gorgeous. So yeah, re-gift it, hang it on the tree, whatever you want to do. So in the kit, you then get a dark chocolate brownie. This is gluten-free and vegan, and some chocolate drops, also gluten-free and vegan. These are really dark, absolutely delicious. The instructions then walk you through what to do and how to make your hot chocolate. Find a mug. This is one of our favourites. Pop your chocolate drops in. This is a compostable film bag. In there. This is my favourite, but any plant-based milk will be fine. So it's the unsweetened almond milk. Any supermarket will do that, or coconut or soy or oat, whatever you fancy. Guesstimate or measure in your mug a mugful of plant milk. Whee! Then pop that on the hob. I'll pop it on high, and then you want to get it to the point of simmering, but don't boil it. And then once it's simmering, we're going to pour it into the chocolate and stir it vigorously until the chocolate is melted. Meanwhile, whilst that's heating up, if you take your dark chocolate brownie, so like I say, it's vegan and gluten-free, and for those of you who don't know, everything we do at Honeybuns is gluten-free anyway. And I've lost my knife. Right, here we go. So what it says in the instructions, chop it in half, take one of the halves and cut it into quarters. So you're going to use that for your drink. Check the milk situation. So if you take your simmering milk, plant-based milk, and pop it on top of your chocolate, what I do is then do a little bit at a time so that you can get the chocolate to melt fully before you pour the rest of your milk in. And this is a really rich, dark chocolate. Is scrumptious, it will not be block off without being bitter. Now hopefully you can see there, you've still got visible bits there, so I'm going to carry on going. Make sure that it's all fully dissolved. I forgot to say in the instructions as well, identify a little snuggly corner where you can enjoy this in peace and quiet. Oh, that's not too bad for a guesstimate on the milk. And there we are, absolutely gorgeous. And what we're going to do with the brownie is float those on the top, and then your other bit of brownie is there for you to enjoy as you will. I hope you enjoy.